Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm laying in the hammock and thinking about how in the hell I'm gonna install the solar panels on my van. But I'm getting closer and closer and closer. So yeah, let me update you on my venture. Alright, so as you saw in my previous video, I got these little things. Anyways, I got a little test strip and I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna install it on here. The problem is these holes are a little smaller than these holes. So I'm thinking this will probably gonna go like this. Oh no, that's not gonna go. Let's see. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Oh, maybe I can. No, that's not gonna work. Anyways, so this is gonna go like this most likely, or like this, either way, and then I'm gonna attach this thing going this way because I need more surface, and this railing will go along the van, along the roof, and I'm hoping this is tall enough. So the solar panel is gonna go this way because it's not gonna fit going this way. So my hope is install these things long way. I might have, yeah, like this, and it's gonna be a lot longer going against the roof. I might have to clean this and sand part of this so that I'd adhere a lot better, and then attach. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is taller. I might not even need this part actually. I think this will be tall enough. Yeah, this might be tall enough. I'll need to get my solar panel on top of here and see. Because I also have these things and then the little thing that attaches to the solar panel. So we'll see, but I think this will work. I just need to measure everything and cut. Yeah, so this is how it's gonna work. We're gonna place these things like this. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna need this part. I think this and this is tall enough, but I can use these since I already have them. I cannot return them. I can use these to build a bed frame. I can attach this to the walls and attach the bed frame to them because they're aluminum, they're very lightweight, and they're strong. So they're gonna go like this, and then I'm not gonna do it here, I'm gonna do it over there probably. And now I just need to measure the distance like this. I might have to install them on the narrow points because the wide points, which are 3 feet, are like, you see where the end of the measuring tape is? That's where it's gonna be. Let's see, the narrow part, it was about 1.5 feet. I might have to drill new holes in that solar panel, which I can. 2 feet, so I'm gonna need to drill some new holes in that solar panel. But as long as I don't have to drill holes in the roof, I'm totally fine with that. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do, and then the solar panel will hang off on the sides a little bit. Alright, so now, oh my goodness, on top of the roof, I'm gonna go and measure the solar panel to see how long it is, because I haven't done that, and I probably should have done it before I went on the roof. Oh my god. Whew, almost fell. There we go. Sorry guys, I'm not doing any fancy editing or anything like that. I don't want to do it. I don't have time to do it. Okay, please stay. I put a rock on there. You can't even see the solar panel on me. Okay, let's see. This solar panel is almost 4 foot long. 1 foot and 9.5 inches for width. So why can't they just make the solar panel like 4 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, whatever, you know? Why do they have to make it so complicated? Okay, I know it's a weird angle, guys, but I don't wanna extend my tripod, so just not quite tall enough to put it on the side. But let me go. attach it just using this one piece, like over here somewhere. But then this whole piece is not supported, and the thing is, over here it's not straight, it's all curved. There's another hole right over here where you guys can see, obviously, and I'll need more than just this for that. So my problem is I can do this, or my neighbor just came up to me and said I can't get a cardboard, cut out, do template of these curves, and use like 2x4s and stuff to cut the curves in and just do the whole enclosure over here. But I'm not sure, it's gonna take a lot of work to install the solar panels. I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know, but this is probably my best bet right now. The only thing I don't like about it is this whole deal over here. I'm gonna have to, maybe I can actually do this, and then I can put some sort of supports over here as well. Anyways guys, that's my dilemma, is solar panels on this roof. I should have just gotten 9 aerodynamic high top. So that's a suggestion for you guys. If you're looking into getting a high top for your van, do not get this style. It's called aerodynamic something. Do not get it, just get a plain old square. I know it probably doesn't look as good, it's not aerodynamic, but installing solar panels on that thing would be so much easier. Or just move the roof vents like farther apart so you can put a solar panel going this way, the long way. At least one of them in between. I could install it on the sides, but it's, I don't know what to do. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my update video. I'm gonna be filming a lot more, and yeah, oh yeah, well, I was gonna say something and I forgot. Anyways guys, thank you so much for stopping by and for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.